the Game Bros again. Okay, Sidekick, you're here. Well, we'll put away this. Put away this. No, that's the one we'll talk about. Put this back in. Boop. Well, this is the GraviTrax starter set, extra large. And I tell you, it's heavy.
And I tell you, it's heavy. Trash! And no one.
We will open this box.
Wait! Not yet!
What the?
Not yet.
Guess we'll wait for my silly sidekick to, or Mr. Genius sidekick to throw the trash.
Bam!
And then, well, I'm opening the box.
Every GraviTrax has maps.
These are floors. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And don't use these as boomerangs. Then someone can get hurt and they can break. Right?
These are the tracks. Every GraviTrax has tracks. Just kidding. Not every other. Remember the last time? Yeah, no tracks. These are the
Trampolines. No tracks.
no tracks.
And these are the marbles. Don't lose this. Actually, don't lose any of this.
And there are 2 starts.
Well, if we push this, the marble goes. And this is the manual. Yeah, these are the loop pieces.
You see the loop? Good. You connect these parts. Connect these parts. Like this. If you can't connect these things,
Sidekick, all I can see is your big face.
if you can't do this thing, then then you need to click here and then put here too. But the hard thing is, it doesn't work that easy.
I'll do it for your Sidekick.
It's like it doesn't work. I think we need to do this a lot.
Hey, it's already...
Hey, already opened. This. And they will all make something. You plug this thing in.
Just right in these holes. This comes. Again. Like this.
We click this part in, like this.
The blaster, or the magnetic cannon, looks like this.
Wow, Raven Burger.
I don't think it's a Raven Burger.
I told you that. Hey, bunny. This is the block.
Yes, the block. It's kind of like a hexagon. The gray one is thicker than the black one.
First there's a red marble, and then the blue marble, and then the green marble.
These are these plates.
But look.
Ooh. Sidekick.
As I can. And you better clean up these. There'll be so much of these.
Yeah, and clean those up.
These just match.
Yes.
These match. They match here too. Look this. And then, wow, looky nasty. So dusty. There was this big shoe and this big.
I don't know. We have this. Well, you can see these green things.
Green things. You need those too.
Has a hole. This also fits here.
Can you see?
Goes in.
Yep.
Your bonus, and we will make make one.
We are so beginners,
Nonsense.
right?
Yep. All of these have to be equal if you want to make stairs.
These are the tracks. Every GraviTrax has tracks.
Not every.
It's GraviTrax, but some have no tracks. No tracks, like trampolines and papa.
Never mind.
Why can't you do it like this?
Right?
Yep.
I will fix it one time and then I will show you if it really works. Now it's GraviTrax Game Bros fun time. Well, what do you mean fun time? Well, it means it's time for some
Butt duties.
excuse me, not butt duties. My sidekick's kind of, okay, you know, he's kind of a gag man. Well, we'll say a little bye-bye to that gag, and so let's do it. Let's see. On our next video, I'll show the success of this. Well, we'll be leaving here, and the Game Bros of GraviTrax will be leaving here.